check this out. He's so cute. See him? Gotta watch where I'm going. Plus, I don't want to scare him because I don't want him to fall to the ground. He's so cute. He's just hanging out. I'm a little surprised that there's no parents nearby. He's so cute. I'm gonna go get a shot from the other side, but I gotta walk the long way around. There he is from the front. Oh, he's so cute. All sorts of baby birds all over the place nowadays. Aww. He's a cutie. I don't want to get any closer because it'll upset him and mom and dad, or mom or dad. Oh, he's too cute. Hi, bud. And we might as well do a real quick check on the robins while I'm outside. So we'll say see ya to him. And then we'll go back by the back door. Okay, we're looking much better than we were the other day. Oh, geez, there's Mom. Oh, that was cool. Did you see how they sunk back down into the nest? She's like, get down. Mom, I'm not hurting anybody. Come on. But they were up and about, so that's good. That's good, 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 good. All right, we'll leave them alone. And there is your baby bird update for Friday. See ya. All right, Mom, I'm going.